And these three platforms will pay you to test websites and games. Now, I'm going to be showing you right here if these platforms are legit or scam, if they are repaying or if they are not repaying. Now, to do this right here, you don't need anything much. No capital, no prior knowledge, no experience. Now, the only thing you need is just your smartphone with internet connection. So I'll be taking you to my screen right now, showing you how you can do this and make money just by testing websites and testing games. So let's go. So guys, the three platforms I'm going to be sharing with you in this video are going to be paying you to test games, test websites, test apps for them. These are real money, guys. They are going to be paying you real money. And moreover, I'm going to be showing you the legitimacy of this website because we're going to be testing it out and we're going to be checking if this website is repaying and is legit. All right, we're going to be checking everything in this video because I have brought this website to you. I have done my thorough research and I've brought these three websites to you so that you can start making money right now. Now, this website will pay you to test games, websites, and platforms and apps for them without doing any much work. Now, the first platform we have on our list is called Userfeel. Now, Userfeel is a very great platform for testing websites. Now, companies and brands bring their platforms and websites to this very platform for their user to test it. As you can see, Userfeel, okay, user testing made easy. Now, if you scroll down right now, you're going to be seeing Userfeel is a platform where you test apps, websites, and games. Now, Userfeel has over 850 users or 850 testers. These are people who are testing websites and games like you. And they have over 500 plus happy clients. Now, companies and brands are these 500 plus happy clients. Now, businesses, companies, brands, industries, they bring their website, their apps, their games, they bring it to this platform for their user to test. Now, when a business or a brand or a company newly launch a website, they don't just bring it out to the public, all right? They have to test the website if it's perfect and if it's okay and if it's good to go to the public. Now, they bring it to this platform right here and they give their user to test, all right? As you can see, if you scroll down, if you scroll up, you're going to be seeing trusted by over 500 organizations, all right? As you can see, trusted by over 500 organizations. And these are the 500 organizations which are the happy clients, right? As you can see, IBM, SATA, many of them, all right? These are companies they have worked with, and these are companies they have worked with, and companies that have brought their website, their platform, their apps, their games to them to test. Now this platform has over 850,000 users or testers, which includes you, all right? So these people, they test games and platform for these companies. Once this company bring their apps, their games, their website to them, they give it to their users, they test it, all right? Their users will give them the feedback of what they think about the platform, the games, and they gather this data together and they feed it back to these API clients, all right? So these API clients or these companies right here, they are going to go ahead and check this feedback and they will know what they are going to change, or if they have to go ahead with the platform, the website, and launch to the public, or they have to retweak it or change it, all right? This is how this platform work. This platform make money, you as a tester make money, and this company is happy. So every parties are good to go. So this is how this company make money, and this is how you make money, and this is how everybody make money. So as you can see, this platform is transparent. Now, to further prove the legitimacy of this platform to you, we are going to go to Trustpilot and we're going to check if this platform is truly legitimate. Now, Trustpilot is a global platform where we come to test the legitimacy of a platform. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description so that you can go ahead and check it yourself. As you can see right here, Userfeel, they have over 4-star reviews, which is 3.9, which is good, all right? Because 5-star is perfect and 4-star is good. And as you can see right here, verified company, all right? This company is a verified company, so you have nothing to worry about. Getting an account here is a free of charge, so you don't have to worry. So guys, remember, I'll be sharing with you three amazing platforms you can make money by testing apps and websites, and I'll be sharing one extra one, which is the bonus part, all right? This bonus part is what I use and I've made some money from it. I'm going to be sharing it with you so that you can add it to your income stream. But before we jump right into the next platform, if you are finding value already in this video, please drop a like. Thanks a lot. And if you have not joined the community, go down there, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. Is free of charge to subscribe to this channel. You are not paying any single dime for it. So go down there, subscribe, and make sure you turn on bell notification so that you'll be reminded and you'll be notified anytime I drop more amazing content in this community. So let's move over to the next platform. So the next platform we have on our list is called Paid Work, all right? As you can see, make money online on the phone, computer, or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. As you can see right here, you can see some logos right here. You can see games right here. This is a platform right here, and this is shopping and testing, okay? You also get paid by testing websites, games, and apps on this platform. I've done my thorough research. I've dig this platform hard for you so that you can start making money for it. So in return, like this video and share it to someone you know this video is going to be a blessing to him. So let's move ahead. This platform has over 23,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So any platform that is recognized by Trustpilot, you know that this platform is legit. And you also go ahead and check the legitimacy by yourself on Trustpilot. It has over 23,000 reviews on Trustpilot, and you know what I mean, guys. To register on this platform is very simple. You come over to the registration button right here. You register a free account with them, and you start making money immediately. Now turn your time into profit. Now if you have a free time, you have any free time, you are a 9 to 5 worker, you are a student, you have a busy day, or you are that kind of person that is always busy, you can use your extra time to make money from this platform. All right, if you have 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can come here and make some money with your time. All right, and if you're that person that has nothing doing, this is an amazing way to make a lot of money. So just sit down there, spend 1 hour here, spend 2 hours here, and you know how much you are going to make. All right, as you can see, everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn by playing games, completing survey, watching videos, shopping online, and creating account. All right, in just a month you can earn up to $700, as you can see, without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings. There's no limit to your earnings. You decide how much you want to earn. They are telling you right now that you can earn over $700 with them. All right, if you have that time with them. Now you can get their app on Play Store, can get their app on App Store. You can go ahead and download their app on Play Store or App Store. You can start making money with the app on your mobile phone. Now let's move over to the next platform, which is the third and last platform before we go over to the bonus platform. So let's go. Guys, the third platform we have on our list is called freecash.com. Now this platform is also amazing. Okay, so you can see right here, get paid now for installing apps. All right, installing apps. All right, get paid now for playing games and get paid now for taking service. You can see right here, earn up to $8.30 per offer. 108 available offers right now. Okay, that means I have over 108 available offers right now. Now this platform pays you to do simple tasks, signing up, like installing apps, playing games, and all of that. These are what you love doing, right? And you can make money by doing what you love doing. Simple, amazing. These are companies right here that brings jobs for this platform to do, and they bring these jobs to us, which is the users, or which are the testers, to do for them. And this is a Netflix company. And this is the Netflix company, this is the TikTok company, and this is a gaming company right here that bring jobs for them. This is what this company do. They test their platform, they test their newly launched app or their newly launched features by using this platform as a medium before they launch it out to the public. Now, as you can see, say start a trial month and you earn $5 for it. This one right here, you are playing. I think you are playing game. As you can see, this one right here say reach level 10 and you earn $8.30. Now you just play game and reach level 10. It's like you playing game. If you love playing game, guys, if you are the type that love playing game like me, bro, you are going to be making a lot of money from this platform. Because imagine you playing games and you are making money instead of playing games and wasting your data and wasting your time. You can be playing games and making some good money from here. So guys, it's a big win for you. You are doing what you love and you are getting paid for it. Now you just reach level 10 and you are getting paid $8.30 just to reach level 10. And this is a TikTok account. If you sign up, you have $2, right? Simple as ABC. So guys, you can make good money from this platform by just doing what you love. Is that not amazing? It's super amazing. Super amazing. So to get an account with them, come to sign up right here. You sign up an account, a free account, and you start making money from it. As you can see, choose an offer. Take your pick from the task on the end page. We list the best offers from companies who want to advertise their apps, service, and products. As you can see, from companies who want to advertise their apps and products. Simple. These are companies, these are as banners, Soft, and all of that. These are companies who bring their platform and their games to this platform for their user to test. So you are making money by doing what you love. As you can see our 44,000 reviews on Trustpilot. And this platform has more than 4-star reviews. They have 4.5-star reviews. That means it just remaining half to be 5-star. That means it's nearly perfect. So guys, this is a making money platform for you to start making money right now. I mean right now. All right. They have over 4.5-star reviews. This is amazing. Meaning this platform is paying handsomely. Best ways to earn: play games, complete offers, join surveys. As you can see, we are the #1 site to make money. Here is why. So guys, this is the third platform to start making money online with just testing games, apps, and doing surveys. Now this is simple. And with testing games, testing apps, and website, guys, this is simple as ABC. The bonus platform is called Timebox. Now Timebox is a platform I've done a video for in this channel. So that video I shared with you videos where you can make money from Timebox. Now Timebox is an amazing platform. You get paid by doing almost same thing you are doing in those other platforms, but this place you do even more. As you can see, get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer surveys. Timebox is an amazing way. And to tell you, Timebox is paying real time, all right, real time. They pay in cryptocurrency and they pay in PayPal, all right. And the best part about this platform is that you have daily bonuses now. You can see right here, say each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a night bonuses. That means if you are among the top 100 earners in this platform, you are going to be getting an extra bonus, which is an extra cash for yourself. Guys, super amazing, right? Start earning instantly, all right? No approval process required for you, all right? We have a referral program so you can earn commission on everyone you refer. Weekly payout, we pay everyone weekly with 6 different payment methods. So guys, super amazing. Friendly support staff, we need help. Our friendly support staff will answer all your questions. Don't wait for days for reply. We are here to help you earn money as much as possible. Simple and sweet. So guys, this is the bonus platform you can make money. And to further prove the legitimacy of this platform to you, let's go over to Trustpilot and let's see if this platform is legit. Now if you come to Trustpilot right now, they have over 4.5 star reviews, guys. 4.5 star reviews. That is almost 5 stars. All right, and they have over 2,395 reviews. All right, and as you can see, excellent. All right, excellent. This is nearly perfect, guys. Nearly perfect. It's a verified company, so you are good to go. So this is the bonus platform you can start making money online now. So guys, these are the 3 amazing platforms. In fact, it's 4 right now. All right, these are the 4 amazing platforms you can start making money right now by testing website, testing apps, and testing games. Guys, I believe you find value. All right, slap that like button right now. Slap it. Thank you very much. All right, and share this video to someone you know that it will be valuable to them, because you have friends out there who are looking for ways to make money. Share this with them and they are going to thank you for it. All right, so go ahead and share this video to them right now, and click on that share button. It's down there, share button, and you can share via WhatsApp, via Facebook, or you can just copy the link and share it to them, and they are going to super thank you for it. Guys, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, because every week I drop more amazing content around the ways to make money online. Having diverse streams of income is very important in these very times we have. So guys, thanks again for watching. I believe you find value. If you want to learn more amazing ways to make money, I have put together all these videos on a playlist for you to have access to them and start watching right now. Now if you check the end screen of this video, you are going to be having access to those videos. Click on it right now and have access to diverse ways to start making money right now. So guys, I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, drop a like in this video. I will appreciate that a lot. And if you have not subscribed to this family, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on that subscribe button to join the family and turn on post notifications so that you'll be reminded anytime I drop awesome videos. Now, making more money in the internet right now is the goal. Now, if you want to learn more ways to make money for yourself, I've compiled some videos that will teach you more ways you can make money via the internet. So click here right now to access these videos. I will see you there.